3, 2, 1.
What kind of show did I see her on? The answer is C, a talk show. How did the narrator get to orientation? The answer is B, they took the subway. What may happen after the first chick hatched? The answer is C, the other eggs will hatch as well. Teresa is making a list of the similarities and differences between a euglena and a Volvox cell. In which way is the euglena different from the Volvox cell? The answer is D, a euglena can only reproduce asexually. Which term refers to a small, usually sometimes ruined building in the middle of the woods? The answer is B, shack. What year was America's victory at Kings Mountain? The answer is B, 1780. What trait would one use for MS or The answer is C, she is insecure. When were the terms mulatto and free people of color taken off the census? The answer is C, 1930. How many units of assessment did Imperial submit? The answer is C, 14. Traditionally, in rugby, what number appears on the jersey of the fullback? The answer is A, 15. In what sort of game is Chip Leader Maniac betting $35? The answer is B, poker. Which form of energy is found in food? The answer is A, chemical. Why is the narrator acting so sullen? The answer is C, they just lost a pet. How did he get up in time for work without sleeping for 2 days? The answer is D, he hid his tiredness and went to work. When did Burke's ancestors arrive in Ireland? The answer is B, 1185. When did Tito marry Lucia Bauer? The answer is A, 1936. Who is the creator of the comic strip The Far Side? The answer is B, Gary Larson. The majority of cells in blood are erythrocytes, or the answer is A, red blood cells. When did Weiss and Crapanzano reject their work? The answer is D, 1996. Which of these actresses did not appear in the 1997 horror movie I Know What You Did Last Summer? The answer is A. Brandy. A group of people are gathered at a table. Two men. What happens next? The answer is A. Engage in a game of arm wrestling. What is light that has only a single wavelength called? The answer is C. Monochromatic. What Mexican holiday takes place on May 5th? The answer is C. Cinco de Mayo. What is the population of the small town with an Air Force Base 7 mi northeast of Sacramento, California? The answer is C. 743. What is the speaker likely to do on a Saturday night? The answer is B. Study. When did Kublai ban the international Mongol slave trade? The answer is A. 1291. How many medals did Germany win in the 2002 Winter Olympic Games? The answer is C. 36. Why are rapidly occurring environmental changes more likely to cause extinctions than slowly occurring changes? The answer is A. Slow changes allow time for adaptation. What is the maximum possible score in a game of 10-pin bowling? The answer is C. 300. How many Comcast employees were interviewed for that investigative report? The answer is D. 150. What can you conclude about brie and whipped cream? The answer is B. Brie has never made whipped cream in her life. The Last Man in Europe was the working title of which novel? The answer is B. 1984. If Christmas Day is on a Saturday, then the following New Year's Day falls on what day of the week? The answer is D. Saturday. Why might people starve themselves? The answer is D. To lose weight. In what year did Kanye West's mother pass away? The answer is A. 2008. He pumps a pump and then fills it with water. He rubs chalk on the tire and puts glue on it. What happens next? The answer is C. Puts the tire back on the wheel. How many defensive players are on a baseball field at any one time? The answer is D. 9. At what age did Josephine Anna Popper die? The answer is D. 92. In what year did the UN start developing a peace plan for the whole region? The answer is B, 1988. How did his day start out? The answer is C, wonderfully. Everything was going smoothly. How do you comb hair? How would you do this? The answer is A, run a comb through it to untangle hair. A group of people riding stationary bikes in a big gym. One man. What happens next? The answer is D, moves a stationary bike. What year was a new constitution passed that discriminated against whites were passed? The answer is C, 1896. In the famous ballet The Nutcracker, who does the hero defeat? The answer is B, Rat King. What does she mean by deliciously cool? The answer is D, the weather is cool but not freezing. Why are some impressed with Jacob's behavior? The answer is B, he is just a baby. In what year was Black Rock Fort captured by the British in New Haven and incinerated? The answer is D, 1779. When was the Cochinchina campaign? The answer is A, 1858. What may be the reason I slept in? The answer is A, none of the above choices. What may be the reason for the secrets only being his?